Hi guys, it's MJ Lax here. It's been some time since I recorded the last video, so I'm looking forward to speaking with you a little bit in the video format. So first of all, many thanks for sticking around in the second half of the year. We've had one of the worst quarters, so Q3 was really bad. I had 40% in July cash and basically deployed into China a little bit too quickly, which is unfortunate, but we have seen China underperforming. So yesterday we're 2% on the day, today we're 1.15%. So I'm happy to see, first of all, China stocks picking up. So we have VIPs and BIDU really growing about 20% since our last acquisition price. Obviously, I averaged down and let go some of the losers before, but we are now 20% up. I opened China 50 with X10 leverage. That's also about 30% up. A great instrument because it does not incur any fees. So even though it's 10x leverage, there's no fee on it. So I'm very happy. I have put quite a bit of money into Aston Martin, so that's our biggest position at the moment. I have written why. I'm very happy with the DBX cash cow, and they actually onboarded very strong Formula One team as well. So they created a separate kind of part of the company or a separate department for that as well. So incredibly bullish on that. Even more so, I think on most of the recent decisions have been really good. So yesterday I've built bigger TBLT, Top Build Industries. They received initial coverage of $1.5, so they're trading about 0.55. So that's 3x from that, and they also reported 101% increase in Amazon sales. That's fantastic news for this company. I personally think it's gonna go above $2 within 12 months. So my price target would be even more bullish. I'm pretty convinced it's gonna cross $1 in the next weeks, and so also there will be no discussion about delisting from Nasdaq and so on. So that's been great. I'm seeing inflows into small caps, so something that I've been discussing with you guys. Small caps are around 14-15 PE, whereas SPX is about 23. So historically, small caps outperform the big caps, and they're usually a little bit overpriced. Now we have a situation where since February, we've really been going down. So I really believe that the market for small caps as a whole will pick up. And stocks like Boxlight and TBLT and Asos and EvoFam, all of those will really go quite heavily up. So I found a nice balance of risk reward where we sit at the risk 5 and we have a little bit more Boxlight and TBLT. They're a little bit safer small caps, and they've reported phenomenal earnings, and they basically trading at par of market cap and revenue. So that's unusual for a small cap. Very often you have 1 to 10, or in the case of Tesla, it's like 1 to 20. So extremely bullish, and so I think our portfolio will really outperform. So we started 37% in February. We're now at 13, so we lost 20%, which is really hurting us a lot. But I'm really thankful to everyone who stayed, averaged down, doubled down. So that's fantastic, and I think now it's our time. Let's not forget that between November and January last year, we made almost 70%, about 70%. So we had 26% in November, then 7.5%, 8% in December, and 20% in January. So these were the best months. So we're just approaching that. So probably a great moment to join. So I've seen some people joining from Luxembourg and Poland and UK. So I'm really happy about that, and I'm really looking forward to bumping those numbers and making you guys quite happy. So that's gonna be great. I mentioned that I will be going to Lisbon. So there's a web summit, which is one of the biggest conferences for tech, for entrepreneurs, and so this is physically in Lisbon. So it's gonna be the first conference that I'm attending in person after a while because of the COVID. And then I'll probably stay in Portugal and move to the south as I did last year. So if you're there, hit me up. And if you're planning holidays, it's a great place to be during the winter in Europe. So let me know. And I know there's going to be a few people that I know at Web Summit, so really looking forward to that. There have been also a few additions to the portfolio. So I've added Asos, really kind of timed it, not perfectly. I bought it in 2 tranches, but the last tranche I timed perfectly. It's been going very nicely up. I bought Gestamp as well, automotive, that has parts quoted in Madrid, so that's been great. Peloton is growing. I'm looking to probably not increase IRO, but watching IRO very, very closely. It's a huge potential. The price target is 15, it's trading about 3, so it's a 5x. Personally, I'm also learning a lot about blockchain and DeFi's and NFTs and coins and various decentralized DeFi's and decentralized exchanges and trading and so on. So I'll probably be able to put a nice post together very soon. That's something that I'm watching. So hopefully once I decide it's time to invest either short or long, I'll do that as well. So yeah, this is it. Let me know what you'd like me to speak about. I haven't been on video for some time. I'm looking forward to doing more of those in the future. And as I said, I'll probably be in Portugal for the winter, so hit me up and take care. And I hope that we have another 70%. Probably that's not realistic. In 3 months to do it again. COVID has, the prices of the COVID in March have been much lower than they are now. But I do expect, let's say, 25% in the next 12 months. That would be, I think, relatively conservative estimate and projection. So looking forward to engaging with all of you and seeing you more and more in person as well. Take care, guys.